Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mandy and we are in the middle of Vlogmas. If you don't know, I had a house full of people on Thanksgiving week and my house is trashed. So what we're going to do today is get into it and get it all nice and clean. It's mainly just the, living room, kitchen, my bathroom, places where everybody was, but we are going to get it tip-top shape, spick and span clean, and I cannot wait. If you guys are excited about Vlogmas, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. There's just a random contact in my sink. I mean, it's not random, it's mine, but and there's me. Hello. Also, I wanted to share with you guys, if you have Amazon Prime, did you know you had music that was free? Ugh, you guys, I've been nonstop on this Christmas music, but let's get right on into getting this mess cleaned up, shall we? Alright guys, I quickly had to jump on here and just show you this popped up on my music that I was listening to. This is, without a doubt, my all-time favorite Christmas song. It's not an original Christmas song. If you've never heard it, Google it, listen to it. I had to have a little dance break in the kitchen, but my heart was so happy when that came on. You have no idea.
Christmas is my favorite time of year, and Christmas is my favorite time. And Christmas is my favorite time of year.
Okay, it's me again. Sorry. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but I love Bodhi with all my heart. I'm just amazed at how weird this dog is. Have you guys ever noticed that he will just directly stand in front of my vacuum cleaner? He's not afraid of it. I don't know if he's trying to save me from something or what, but he will stand like a statue in front of that vacuum cleaner, and I just have to move him out of the way. Do your dogs do that? Is it just me? I don't know. But, you know, we all love Bodhi, right? We'll just let that slide.
Get me through, get me through. In and out, on and
All right, guys, that is it. Everything looks and feels and smells so much better. I've also got all of my Thanksgiving and fall stuff put away, so I'm ready to start decorating for Christmas. I really appreciate you guys coming by. If you're enjoying Vlogmas, if you like this cleaning video, go ahead and give this video a like before you go. Also, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and click that button. It would make me so happy. It would be one of my biggest Christmas wishes. If you would join my YouTube family. I love you guys. You know I appreciate every single one of you. Let me know if you have any ideas for anything else that you'd like to see for Vlogmas. Like I said, I've got some more DIYs. I'll always have more cleaning, my normal vlogs, yeah, everything is just going to be fun. And we're going to, you know, take on December like we own it. So with that being said, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the